Hello everyone, hope you are happy and healthy and you are taking good care of yourself. Let's come to the topic of the video today. The topic of my video today is what is that factor that will help you come closer to your dream or will help you achieve your target. Basically, first of all, what we need to have is to have a dream or a target in life. I'm not talking about those people, those who don't have any goal. They are just simply living their lives, getting up in the morning, eating, doing the basic daily routines, and then again going to bed at night, then again getting up, doing the basic chores of the house, of the job, or something like that. I'm not talking about those people. I'm talking about those people who have set certain targets or have certain dreams. It could be related to your profession, to your business, to your passion. It could be any dream that you want to fulfill. Now, number of research and surveys has been done to find out that one single most important factor that helps a person come closer to his or her dream. In short, I can say what makes a man successful man different from the one not so successful. Okay, I know everyone tries, but not everyone is able to fulfill all their dreams. So the main important factor that has come out of research and surveys done is to have strong willpower. Willpower is that one important factor which is the main source of other attributes, of other good habits that help you come closer or to achieve your targets. I'll tell you like what. Like willpower is basically like a well, okay, which is the source of water, and from there you can take out the water in the face of discipline, hard work, sincerity, punctuality, and other good habits and attributes. So the main thing, most important thing we need to have is willpower. If you have the willpower, you will have all these different attributes by itself. For example, just take a very simple example of a household chore. For example, it's it's too cold in the winters and you're sitting in your bed. Okay, now you want to make a tea for yourself. Now, what is the most important thing that will help you push you out of your bed? What is that thing? Is it discipline? Will you come out of your bed because of discipline? Will you come out of your bed because of the sincerity, hard work? No. These are the results of willpower. First of all, you need to have the willpower to come out of the bed in such cold and go to the kitchen to prepare tea for you. This is the most simple example I could take to make you understand the role of willpower in our life. Same way, we in everything, whatever we want to do or whatever target we want to achieve, to have willpower is the most important thing. Willpower is basically a push we need to do any other thing, to follow any other good habit that results to the achievement of the target. So if you have a strong willpower, you will be disciplined, you will be hardworking, you will be ready to come out of your comfort zone, you will be sincere, you will be punctual, you will be ethical, and whatsoever good attributes we should have. Now, as a side product of willpower, the main source is definitely willpower, but as a very important side product of willpower is consistency. This is the second most important thing that we must have to do whatever we want to do in life, because we have seen many a times that we set certain targets like fitness goal, like I'll do this or this, I'll start doing this and that, but what happens? Why we are not able to achieve to that level which we dreamt of? What is the reason? Because we were not consistent. We didn't do that thing consistently. We did it for a day, for 2 days, for a month, for a week, but we didn't do it consistently. Because of that lack of consistency, the person fails to achieve the target. So the source or the most important factor is the willpower, and the side product of willpower is consistency. The combination of these two attributes is going to result to other good habits like a disciplined life, hard work, etc. And if you have these two things, most important, that will make you a strong person. You will be able to do whatever you want, no matter what your surrounding is, whether there is any contingent situation or whatever, but that your willpower will make you a strong person to follow your path and will get you closer to your target or help you fulfill your dream. So please, there are different ways by which we can improve our willpower and we can be consistent in our goals or in our habits. For that, I'll make another video. So as of now, I'll say you bye bye, and ending with a good note that try to develop a strong willpower for whatever you like to do, because life is one. Don't just let it go in living it simply or doing simple things, because we are human beings. Animals are also living, insects are also living. They are living because they are given that they are the part of that species, that they can't do much. But we, being the human beings, have responsibilities. Try to find out what you can do for yourself, for your family, for the society, for the world, and have a greater goal. Everyone is gifted with certain aspects, certain attribute. If you bring that into utilization, if you set a target according to your passion or your talent, you can do something for the society and for the world for sure. So work on that, have a strong willpower, and be consistent in whatever you want to achieve. Definitely step by step you will reach to the top of the ladder. So that is the result of consistency, and to move from one step to another is the result of willpower. Okay, so I'll see you in next time. Bye bye, take care.